Welcome back to Natural Routine. Discover the hair-transforming magic of onions. In this quick guide, learn how to use onions for healthier, stronger hair. Say hello to natural remedies and goodbye to common hair concerns. Let's start the video. Onions, often found in your kitchen, can be a powerful ally in your journey to vibrant and healthy hair. Here's your comprehensive guide to incorporating onion juice into your hair care routine. Step 1. Extraction of onion juice. Peel and chop fresh onions. Use a blender or grater to extract the juice. Strain the juice for a smoother application. Step 2. Patch test. Perform a patch test to ensure you don't have adverse reactions to onion juice. Step 3. Onion juice scalp massage. Apply the juice directly to your scalp. Massage gently using circular motions to enhance blood circulation. Step 4. Duration and frequency. Leave the onion juice on your scalp for about 30 minutes to an hour. Start with weekly treatments and adjust based on your hair's response. Step 5. Rinse and shampoo. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water. Shampoo your hair to remove the onion smell. Step 6. Combining with other ingredients. Enhance benefits by combining onion juice with other ingredients like coconut oil, honey, or aloe vera gel. Step 7. Odor management. Use essential oils, scented conditioners, or a final rinse with diluted apple cider vinegar to minimize the onion smell. Step 8. Consistency is key. Incorporate onion juice treatments consistently for visible results. Benefits of onion juice for hair. Hair growth. Stimulates hair follicles, promoting growth. Strengthens hair. Antioxidants in onions contribute to stronger, healthier strands. Scalp health. Antimicrobial properties may address issues like dandruff. The smell of onions can be strong. Take steps to manage it. Follow this onion juice hair care guide to harness the natural goodness of onions and unlock the potential for healthier, more beautiful locks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hair care tips, and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Thank you for watching.